Rightio, so I spent a day and a bit on the tune, got the tune reasonable, pretty good, ready to race, almost 500 horsepower. And then that same morning, after I finished tuning it, we get a little gift show up. From HPTuners, the new CORE ECU. Stuck in here. So Steve Taylor setting us this up to install in the VX to run it at Holden Drag Nationals in 4 days. So we have to rip out the old computer, rip the old loom out, install a new loom, set everything up that we want working, and then dyno tune it in 4 days and nights. We don't need that much sleep. So now it is knock-off time. It's 5:30 Monday night. So now we're going to rip into it and get this installed tonight. Maybe even have it running. Yeah, have it running tonight. We'll do some more in the morning, and then keep into it. We've got some stuff coming, some parts, nitrous, pressure sensors, yeah, some other bits and pieces, so we can use this to the most of its capability, so we can hopefully go faster, have more than 500 horsepower. All right, let's get into it. Holden Drag Nationals Saturday. I think I got all the issues sorted, haven't ran yet. There was a big oil down, so hold up. And we have Steve from HPTuners supporting, so we reckon the CORE is probably the first CORE to go down the CORE tomorrow.
As far as I know, yeah.
Yeah,
Yep,
that's pretty cool.
Yeah, you've done well to get here in a week.
Yeah. All right, we'll see how we go shortly.
Alright, yeah, now. Yeah, 11 seconds.
Say a prayer. right is a week after the Holden Drag Nationals. We're working on getting all this installation finished. Now we've just got installed a shift light in there. MSD shift light programmable one. We've got the Tacho working, got all the speedo hooked up. Done all the modifications to the dash and stuff that we needed to. Now he's going to tidy it up and then move on to repairing the busted diff. What else have we got to do here? We're going to change the throttle body because the drilled holes in this throttle body and it revs really high with this ECU, but we had to drill the holes to get it to idle half decent with the other ECU, so with the factory ECU. So we have put that into there. I was going to add a nitrous sensor and a fuel pressure sensor, but I'm out of inputs and outputs, so until I put a dash in, which will add some inputs and outputs, I can't do that. Yeah, so we'll button up all this. It's all working now, and we shall get it on the hoist and rip the diff out, rip into the diff. Ten-second pass coming up.